When recording, a really useful tool to help keep us in time is our metronome. You can activate or deactivate down here. It's activated when it's highlighted purple. And it's basically a clock to help us stay in time, often used when you don't have other instruments in place like drums. So I'm going to start a recording. I'm going to move my playhead back to the start of my session. I'm going to hit the record button down in our transport controls. And I'll end that recording there. So a couple of things to notice is that there was a 2-bar count in before the recording actually started. So that gives us a chance to be ready to play and ready to go once the recording actually begins. Now, to change the sound of our metronome, we can go down here. We can also change the volume of the metronome if it's too loud or too quiet. And we can also change the length of that count in to help us be prepared when we hit the record button.